to add a new payment method on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, scroll down and click on your account settings. After you click on your account settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply scroll down and you will find a new payment method. You can simply click on add payment method. It's not available in my region, so there's no payment method option, but you'll find it here. After you find payment method, you can add what type of payment you want to add, enter your card details, your billing zip code, and save it. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add a new payment method on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.